Today we are going to talk to Digangana Suryavanshi.
मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी. Hi.
Hi, how
How
are
are you? I'm good.
I'm also good. How are you spending your lockdown?
Lockdown, it's just like, I don't know. I mean, it's funny some days. Like some days I'm very relaxed. I'm like, okay, got some time to myself, and some days I'm like, when is this gonna get over? So mixed feeling.
There's so much happening right now, and there's so much anxiety about what will happen next. So, how are you dealing with that?
I think I'm not looking for certainty anymore. Because जितना उस बारे में you think about it ना कि नहीं अब ये plan है ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है, just all goes down the drain. So I'm like right now not planning, because first lockdown I was like, okay, a few days is gonna get done, 21 days we're gonna be over this, then happen. But also we are in a very critical situation, so you can't even crib about it much.
So, how are you spending your time? Like any new hobbies that you've taken up, or like a lot of people are cooking, painting, you're singing. We saw your videos, so we'll make you sing also. Heads up about that. What else?
No, I've been painting too. I've painted a little bit. I'd never sketched human figures before, so I did that. It's fun, enjoying it.
So no cooking and all.
Cooking, यार घर का खाना मतलब मेरे ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकता. I'll be very honest. वो माँ पापा कर देते हैं, तो they are like they go for help to each other. But मैं शौकिया कभी कुक किया कभी नहीं किया types. Like I made a cake for them on their anniversary. That I did, and I was very bummed up about it. I said, "Your anniversary, I'm gonna do something special," and I cooked, and it was edible. Just by the way.
Good to know that. So let's just talk about your work, because I think that's all big right now. Your film was supposed to release Siti Maar, and people were excited for it. Like South films have that kind of a hype, and now we don't know when it's light of the day. So how would you want to assure your fans?
We in fact have some more shooting left for Siti Maar. So I'm rather like, see, when you have a script in your hand, I am really like anticipated about when are we going on floor, when am I going to get to emote this, like I love this bit so much, when am I going to get a chance to like do it. And then when you have it and it just abruptly stops, it's like another level of anticipation. So I think I'm there right now. But see, mostly it's about theaters agar khulenge, so that is basically जब हम इस situation में होंगे that people can get out and watch a film, and that's going to be my safety even as an audience. I mean, there are so many films that I watch with my family, so if you ask me that question, would I watch a film right now, like in the next 1 month, I wouldn't in a theater, obviously. So I don't think that we expect that from anyone else. And we're just waiting for the situation to get better. God's grace, please. I don't think we're capable of handling this situation anymore.
So with South, I think there are movies that are going back. They're starting their shoots. So has your team discussed when it's gonna happen, or
we plan to shoot in maybe in June? But see, there's no certainty. Like till I don't hear like, okay, we're booking the flight tickets and you have to come here, I wouldn't believe anything right now. So I'm just in a space where I'm like, see, I understand that we are in a situation, jokes apart and everything, like the whole cribbing, we're home, so it is a little bit frustrating. But all of that apart, I think we all realize that it's quite a situation, and it is not advised to step out at this time unless it's a real emergency. So I'm being an obedient one.
That's true. Like, I mean, right now it's more important to stay safe than go and watch a film.
Exactly. I agree. I completely agree. What?
Regardless of how much you miss it, it's important to stay back at home right now and do nothing. Bake a cake proudly.
I know. See, I feel like there are so many other people who have different struggles to face at this point. So I feel my irritation or my want of being on set is quite less. Like, I can still survive without being there at this point, but there are people who have much, much bigger issues in this time. So I feel my heart is like more. There's a clinch at my heart every time you turn on news. You know, it's just it takes away all of your dreams of being on set like in the next very minute. It's like it's okay.
True. That's so true. I mean, right now it's a really crucial time, but we are here to have a very light, fun conversation. So we'll talk about what is your role in Siddhi Maar? I think Hippie, people love your character. It's such a good character. So how are you evolving in this film? Like, what is your character all about?
Hippie was very, very westernized, very young, very not even close to traditional. Siddhi Maar is a lot different. Siddhi Maar is more traditional. See, I'm opposite Gopi Chand sir, so we have this a love story that goes on. But of course, it's a very quirky role. Like, even though she's like, the dialect is different, it's Andhra Pradesh, you know, so the slang is really different. Everything, the way that they say, and the whole sing-song way. So it's very different from, you can't even compare that with Hippie. That much I can promise you. Like, the two really different roles. And I'm excited because it is that way. Because, you know, if you've done something and people watch you in the same monotony, then it's not exciting. It's like, okay, why am I even doing it? But Siddhi Maar, you can see the charm on my face. There's a tough glow. So I'm excited about Siddhi Maar.
Just excited for the film, actually. Like, seeing you all excited, it's like, okay, there's something that's gonna be like good.
I'm actually waiting for people to watch it.
So also, you're from Bombay, you're born and brought up in Bombay. So South language, did you learn it, and how difficult was it for you to learn it?
I didn't learn it, actually, very honestly. I understand Telugu now because I've done, like, this is my third Telugu film. So I have done, actually it's been in a very short span of time. So I wouldn't say that I've spent a lot of time there. That's why no, but I've been on different units and worked with different people. So I do understand a little bit now. I can figure some words I don't understand, but I figure what they must be meaning considering what's come back and forth. But with dialogues, I mug them up. And when I say I mug them up, I mug up like 20, 25 lines, 30 lines also. So it's insane. Initially, I remember everyone was like, why don't you try prompting? I was like, how can somebody talk at the back of my ears when I'm speaking? Like that's just not gonna work. Please don't. So then I gave up on that idea. I said, no, prompting is like another level of talent. I better mug up my lines.
Mugging up also is a task. I mean, you do not understand the language. I mean, you're doing a great job there then. Like,
thank you.
Congratulations for doing it so well.
That is quite a task, actually. Because I remember when I was reading my lines out and my parents were listening, they were like, you know, it was just this face. They just kept looking. They're like, what are you saying? I'm like, that's my line. Like, how are you being so expressive about it? I said, because that's what I'm supposed to be.
That's talent, and that's why people love you so much. So
what
is one of the biggest differences? Like, you worked on Bollywood sets, worked on South film sets. So what would you say is the biggest difference? Apart from the language, of course, and you mugging up the dialogues, what would you say is the biggest difference?
The biggest difference is, I think, I honestly think that comes with the language. Because, you know, the culture is different in terms of, even if you, for example, I'll give you a simple example for relatability. If people are greeting each other in Mumbai and they're greeting each other in Delhi, there's a huge difference. They're two different worlds altogether. And, you know, people don't realize that. They're like, Delhi, Bombay, sab same hai. Delhi, Bombay, bilkul same nahi hai. They are like, aise alag duniya, you know. And we know that usually what it is, you know, it's like really different. Though I love Delhi, my first show was based there. But in short, I feel that whole culture and that whole vibe, like here it most, like Digangna, maximum, you have Digangna Garu written, you know, like people treat a lot differently. Sometimes I think it also comes from the fact that they know that I don't understand the language. So, you know, some people who don't speak English and Hindi too much, communication gets really limited. So then you're like limited to few people who you can actually interact with very, very much and very properly. Otherwise, I think everything is the same. Technically very sound. Yeah, maybe. See, no, but that also happens in Bollywood, yeah. Like, किसी को एक punch मारा and 10 लोग उड़ गए. So that even we have.
Then I don't want to agree on that. I'm sorry. South
But see, that comes from South. That comes from South. There's no doubt about it. Like the whole swag. मैंने hippie के time पे एक interview में कहा भी था, you know. I said, इतने stylish roles लिखना. And hippie, my role is like really stylish. I remember जब first time Krishna sir ने role सुनाया, he was like, Digangna, you know, this is this girl. She's very dominating and she's very. I think it's a women empowerment kind of a role when he was saying those words. You know, that's how you have in films. Then he said she comes on a bike. The moment he said that, I kept looking at him like that. I said, she comes on what? Pardon me again. He's like, she comes on the bike and the guy is sitting behind her. I'm like, I am up for it. Like, hands are up for it. So, the whole style, some exaggerated, like, as a normal human being, you feel maybe it's exaggerated. But when I watch it, like, as a film, I know it's bloody entertaining. Because I've grown up watching that stuff. You know, I've watched so many of these films on TV and I've gone like, damn, you know, you have that feeling like if the hero doesn't punch back a villain real bad, you don't get satisfied. So since I've been there, I think that whole swag element is onto another level altogether. You know? And that nativity difference is there, of course. Like even in the roles that I play, you know that psychologically this person must be feeling this way. Because, you know, this is the setup, this is where that person's coming from. So stuff like that. But I have more or less, I feel there's another kind of thrill in playing something like that because it's larger than life. You know, I think Bollywood now has become more like a slice of life. You know, like films that are like, okay, next door. Okay, there's like, right now it's become more of that. That's what I think.
Yeah.
And South is still that larger than life feeling in most of the films. You know, so I enjoy that. I'm like, this is dance.
I've seen a few films and I think South films are made with a purpose. Like you might not want to say that for Bollywood films, but you can safely say that for South films. Like you would all learn something from that film.
I have. I think they've all been huge learning experiences. I wouldn't deny that at all. You know, very perfectly scripted. In any of these films that I've shot in South, I have not had an issue with, okay, we're still in dilemma, what is to be done? That's not. It's like, oh, we know exactly what is to be done. So it's the other way around. It's not like there's no dilemma, there's no... Improvisations are not like... I do have my input as an actor. You know, like if I'm doing the scene, there's going to be a part of me. And I will know that, okay, I want to do it this way, you discuss it with the director. But the need of improvising it from here to here doesn't come. So it's not like, you know, in terms of structuring the scene, your correspondence, it's as it is very convincing, it has been. So I kind of enjoy that certainty on set.
So after this film, Siddhi Ma, what are all other projects that we will see you in?
Telugu there is, of course. I wish I could announce it, I would right now. I'm like, okay, out there, everyone, this is what I'm doing. But let it just come officially, maybe after lockdown. I'm looking for. That's also so I'm doing something in Hindi as well, and that was I was shooting for before lockdown, but it's not been announced. So I'm like, hey guys, it's okay, just announce it at least. Oh, waiting.
From those people who eagerly wants the lockdown to get over, because you have to announce.
I know there's so much that I want to do.
But I don't think Mumbai is gonna open very soon.
Mumbai is in a bad shape.
Yeah,
no doubt
quite. So I will ask your fans to drop in their questions, and meanwhile questions come in, I have a quick game for you. It's called Would You Rather. You have two options. You have to select one. Which one would you choose?
Okay, go ahead.
So the first one is to read or lose the ability to speak.
Pardon me again?
Lose the ability to speak or lose the ability to read.
Lose the ability to read, I think. Speaking, I can't shut up.
Okay. Be in jail, something you never did, or lose an important year of your life.
I'll be in jail, it's okay.
Okay. Would you marry a person who's a 10 but has a bad personality, or marry a person who's a 6 but has a good personality? As in looks, I guess. That's what
Uh,
we.
if it's looks, then 6. It's okay. It has to be a better guy.
Okay. Work with an actor that you do not like, or work with a director that you do not like.
Work with an actor who I don't like.
Okay.
Director too dangerous.
True, that's true. A lot of people say actors only. That's, I think, safer.
Yeah, see, because I feel that director is like the captain of the ship. If there's no likability, then where is the project going?
Okay. Have unlimited international first class tickets, or never have to pay for foods at restaurants?
Oh, I think international trips.
If you could only apply one beauty product, what would it be? Eyebrows, but you'll put an eyebrow kit, or you'll use a lipstick?
Eyebrow kit.
Okay. Have a night out with your celebrity crush, or stay home to listen to your favorite motivational speaker on television?
I'm good of a motivation for myself, so I'd rather be out.
Okay. Get locked in an elevator with Govinda or Varun.
None of them actually.
Why?
Because it'll be mad. Or both of them together, then it's better.
Okay. Do a movie with Salman Khan, or do a movie with Shah Rukh Khan?
This can't happen. But I'd be more than happy if I'm offered by both and then I'd have to choose. But anybody would do.
Okay. Rate Sonam Kapoor's closet or Alia Bhatt's closet?
Sonam Kapoor.
Okay, that was a nice, quick answer that you gave. We'll just go back to the questions that have come. Pradeep is asking your childhood pet name.
My childhood pet name has been Rajkumari. Actually, so my nanny has always, so she never addresses with my name. She says Rajkumari, and that's why everyone got like the hang of that. So they stopped using my nickname, which was like authentically my nickname, and it became Princess or Rajkumari. And my nanny says it really gracefully. So she actually says it like Rajkumari, ab kya kare? It makes you feel like
wow,
okay, I've got to be proper.
Grandmothers are always nice. They're the best people in the world.
They're the best.
Okay, a lot of people have asked you to sing, so we would want to listen to one of your favorite songs.
My favorite songs. What do I sing?
Top people must be suggesting also.
Oh, next they'll start asking for like this song and that song. I'd rather sing something that clicks in my head.
You're singing, right?
You were saying something.
I'm saying you think of a song, till then I'll look for more questions.
I thought of a song that came in my head first, so I'll sing. मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी वे चंगा नहीं हो कीता बीबा वे चंगा नहीं हो कीता बीबा दिल मेरा तोड़ के वे बड़ा पछताया खा वे बड़ा पछताया खा नाल तेरे जोड़ के.
Nice. Oh, you have a really nice voice, and I think you should like singing professionally.
Seriously? I'll think that. I'll think about it. A lot of things.
Women have asked for your hair care tips.
My hair care. I love my hair, that's one thing. You must doctor your hair. That's what I genuinely believe in. Okay, now before you start thinking that I've lost my mind in this lockdown, I'll tell you what I really do.
Yeah.
Put oil on your head like as much as you can. I use ghee as well, and that's actually really good. So you could use it like maybe once in a week, and that really helps. and otherwise don't use too many products. And a lot of people comb their hair really badly. That's what I think. You know, they just take it and like comb it and it breaks from in between. It doesn't look nice. So it's better you be gentle on your head. That is like the basic thing.
Wow, nice. That were very important tips. I don't know. Modan has said, "Love you, beautiful. I am your big fan."
Thank you so much.
He has said, "Digangana and her dad really sings so very wonderfully."
Thank you. Yeah, Papa and I did a jamming session on Instagram the other day.
Yeah, so that
Like, let's sing.
So, I mean, there are only people do not have questions for you. They only have love, and everyone.
I see so many hugs and hearts and emoticons.
Yeah,
Hi, Millie. Tere liye. Hi. I'm just gonna say hi to everyone probably.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. I'm fine. Hi, Devang. So Devang is definitely somebody I know about. How are you? Who's that? There, I can't read. It's so bright I can't see it. But I see a lot of sunflowers. Thank you, Millie, for that. Well, you sang so well. Thank you, Ashley. Who said that?
Rudra said, I'm a really big fan. You're so cute.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anuradha said hi.
Hi, Anuradha. How are you?
I have a question for you. How do we increase the communication skills? If you could give some tips on that.
In whatever language you're communicating, just make sure that you know it properly. That's A. Don't have hesitation of approaching people and sharing your thoughts. And don't be afraid that somebody is going to be picking on you. You know, like whatever you're communicating needs to come straight out of your heart or your head. Not like, okay, maybe I'm supposed to be saying this, so let me just say it, because it doesn't work like that. Be confident. Be very, very confident. That's all. Even if you're saying something that's very stupid, it's okay. We've all done that.
Okay, Nirmal has asked, what makes you happy and why?
What makes me... Actually, shooting makes me happy. Like, that's another kind of happiness. I want to be on set like all the damn time. I'm not even kidding. If I was given like a superpower that I didn't have to do anything else and I'd get to be on a film set and just watch them release, I'd do that 365 days. Like, not even kidding.
Okay, I think the love will keep pouring. People will keep asking you questions, but I think I should let you go. I've taken already 26 minutes of yours. So thank you for this lovely chat and good luck for season. I hope it releases really soon and you get a good response for that. And
thank you. Hoping to. Make sure you go watch it with your family.
Yes.
Now I've given you enough tease about CT Mar, so you have to tell me how you found it.
Sure. We'll do another interview talking about it. Don't worry.
For sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So that was Digangana for you. If you've missed any parts of this live, you can always go back to our IGTV and check the video. We will also be posting it on our YouTube once it's off our IGTV. So you can also go to our YouTube channel. I've given the description below to check it. And thank you for coming for this live. Keep coming back for more lives. We have a few more things planned out. So I hope you like this one and take care of yourselves. Keep coming back. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
I'm excited because it is that way. Because, you know, if you've done something and people watch you in the same monotony, then it's not exciting. It's like, okay, why am I even doing it? But
Yeah.
CT Mar, you can see the charm on my face. It's a tough glow. So I'm excited about CT. No, it's bloody entertaining. Because I've grown up watching that stuff. I eat none of them actually.
Why?
Because it'll be mad. Or both of them together, then it's better. मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे पिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी, जान मेरी।